Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another problem. This is a lengthy problem, and there's multiple parts to this problem that we need to tackle. So let's get to it. So here's the question. The question is if parentheses ax plus 2 close parentheses times open parentheses bx plus 7 close parentheses equals 15x squared plus cx plus 14 for all values of x and a plus b equal 8. What are the two possible values for c? Okay, so two possible values. So there could be more than one answer for c, right? So let's tackle this. So first, you look at this equation here. So first we need to break the parentheses, right? We have to break the parentheses. So we use the distributive property. So first we need to take ax times bx, right? So you take ax times bx, that's 1, right? And then ax times 7, that's 2. And then 2 times bx and 2 times 7. So let's break that. So you have ax times bx, you have a times b times x squared, right? Because a times b and then x times x, that x squared. So you have that, and then ax times 7, so you plus 7a x, okay? And then what's next? So 2 times bx, you have plus 2b times x, and then plus 14. That whole thing equals what you have on your right here, on the right equation here. So you just rewrite that. You have 15x squared plus cx plus 14. All right. So x squared to your left, x squared to the right. So x squared. So we know that a times b equals 15. So let's write out what we know. So we have a times b equals 15. All right. So now we know that. You have 7a plus 2b, 7a times x plus 2b times x. Both of these numbers have x in it, right? So we need to factor out the x. So basically you have 7a plus 2b times x, right? So you just factor that out. What does that equal? So you have x over here and then x over here. So you have 7a 2 plus 2b equals x. So we also know that, right? We just figured that out. So 7a plus 2b equals c. And then you have 14 equal 14. So that's nothing there. All right. Another key thing is you have a plus b equals 8. That's a given, and we have to follow what's given to us. So we can rewrite that. So a plus b equals 8. Right. So now we know these three criteria. Okay. So we know that a times b is 15. Right. So this guy here, a times b equals 15. What are the choices? So for a times b, we have our first choice. We have 1 times 15 equals 15. Right. So this is for the a times b. Okay, so 1 times 15 equals 15. That's one of the choices. What's the second choice? You have 15 times 1 equals 15, right? You can switch the position. So now A equals 15, B equals 1. Okay, so that's the second choice. What else do we have? We have 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay, and then you swap the position. So you have 3 times 5 equals 15. So those are the 4 choices based on the first criteria. Okay. So now this criteria here, this one is the last step that we need to do. Okay, because they want us to figure out the C. So we'll leave that for last. But then there's another equation that we need to. So this criteria here we need to look into, right? So the first one gives us 4 choices, but what about the second one? We know that a plus b equals 8, right? So 1 plus 15 does not equal 8. So right off the bat, we eliminate this. So if we eliminate that, we also need to eliminate the second choice, right? So now we're down to 3 and 4. So 5 plus 3 does equal 8, right? So you plug 5 and 3 back in here, so it does equal 8. Same thing, 3 and 5 you plug in here, that's equal 8. So these are your choices, okay? So you have two choices, 5, 3 and 3, 5. Now to find the C, you need to plug these numbers in here. So what do you have? So you have C equals 7A plus 2B. So first, take this guy, plug in here. What do you have? You have C equal 7 times 5, right? Plus 2 times 3. Okay? So what do you have? This is 35 plus 6 equals 41. Okay? So that's one of the answers, right? And what's the next one? So you plug this one into this equation. What do you have? You have 7a, so 7 times 3 plus 2 times 5, right? So this is 21, 10, so that's 31, right? Okay, so 41 and 31. So to your left, they put this in here. It's kind of maybe try to trick us or something, because this is not an easy problem. You have to go through multiple steps to get to the answer. But the right answer is this one for C. The choices for A and B is 3 and 5, but the answers, the two possible answers for C is this guy, 31 and 41. Okay, so that's it. If you are able to, do this problem, just to make sure that you have to go through multiple steps to get to the answer. And if you are going to take the exam soon, then I wish you the best of luck, and thanks for watching.